typical configuration. You see the picture? You have the picture in your book. This is the battery bank, my friends. This is the battery bank. And the battery bank can be charged with solar or with windmill or with a battery charger. No? If the battery bank is charged with a battery charger, it's because the battery charger receives power, AC power from the generator. In this particular situation, this is a hybrid solution. Why hybrid? Why the name hybrid? Because you need, in some situations, the generator. But pay attention. What is the function of the generator in that hybrid solution?
To top off the charge.
Only recover the level of charge in the battery bank. That's it. The generator is used to turn the propeller? No. For that reason, be careful when the people say, I have a hybrid car, I have a hybrid boat. In this moment, you hear that motor running? Yes, I hear the motor. Oh, that's the generator. In this moment, the wheels in my car receive the power from the generator. No, my friend. No. Your wheels in your car is hybrid, receive power from electric motors in front of each wheel. That's correct? And those electric motors, AC motors, receive the power from an inverter in the middle of the car. And the inverter receives the DC current from the battery bank. That's correct? In this particular case, this boat is DC. But I have another one. This one. Look at this. This is with inverter. This is the solution with AC power. I have the battery bank, I have the inverter, I have the AC motor, and I have the transmission, propeller, and shaft. The motor is AC motor. The motor uses the frequency driver and the throttle control. Good? Because it's AC. That motor works with AC power constantly. And the power for that motor is coming from the inverter. And the inverter receives the power from the battery bank. And once again, the battery bank will be charged from solar, from wind, or from generator. This is a hybrid solution with AC motor. When I have AC motor, I have inverter. Good? Nice, no? You can do that conversion in your boat.